we're going to get this moss off of this car park using this machine.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna 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 fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. Yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna 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 fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
There we have it, Westermann all brushed on this section. Just spin you round and do a quick walk through. So just use the kress blower, come in very handy. As you can see there, nice and easy, all collected up. And then there's our result, which is a lot nicer than what it was when we got here. It's not perfect, it's never going to be. You could put chemical down, you could leave it like this. It's a lot safer now with residents walking around and getting out their cars. I'm going to cone off this area now, get this section done. As you can see there, there's 3 spaces that aren't done and then 1 that is. So it's a lot different. This has had no chemical either, just the Westermann. Yeah, nice to be out and getting on with something. We'll probably spin round here, do this section. This bit's really bad, just in all the corners. So we'll get those sections done. I've got to try and make use of no one being here at the moment, because the last time I come here, when I done this section, all these spaces and all those spaces were taken.
never seen these things.
No, it's good, isn't it? Because otherwise you couldn't clean this. How would you clean it?
No, I'm wondering, because everybody's been using acid and goodness knows.
You
It
can
kills it, but it doesn't clear it.
no. So this normally you clear the bulk with this and then treat what's remaining.
I watched a guy called Flawless on YouTube.
Yeah, flawless cleaning.
You know him?
Yeah.
Watching. I thought he's pretty good. He gets some ideas.
Yeah.
What he's doing actually, but he always said there's never a perfect solution.
No, it's not.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Always looking for more. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Always looking for more. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for
Just finished up Westermann in and I have popped into Rocky's Street Food to get some lunch. So let's see what this is like. That's for you, Andy. Quick bite to eat. Right, so we've brushed all of it, we've cleaned it up. Now we're going to put some chemical down. This is optional, putting the chemical down. It's going to stay cleaner for longer, and you're just overall going to get a cleaner surface and a lot less regrowth. So we're going to put some chemical in the sprayer, get this sprayed on 2 of these spaces out of the 5, and then we'll check back in a few videos time to see how it's looking and the regrowth on it, and see if it's worth spraying. What I'm spraying today, I will also put a link in the description and a discount code to the product. You can buy it, you don't have to buy it, it's up to you. You could just leave the surface just as it is like this, but there will be bits of moss left over. Here's my soft wash setup, 20 litre sprayer, we've got 30 metres of hose there, window cleaning pole, I think this is 20 feet, and we've got a DA components nozzle on the end. So let's turn this on, get these 2 spaces sprayed and get out of here. Nice and easy with this sprayer due to it not being on your back. So I could go 30 metres away and still be spraying. So normally I would leave the sprayer by the tap, and then, because it's only a 20 litre tank, as and when it runs out, just run back, top it up and then keep spraying. I'm nowhere near the chemical this way, and I could telescope the hose out if I wanted to. So if you're doing any sort of, done conservatories and stuff before, this pole comes in handy. Like I say, some I treat, some I don't. This one's extremely bad with moss all the time and the regrowth, so this one probably warrants putting some chemical down, and so that then the clients can see the results. Probably wouldn't spray the whole car park, but maybe just some of the spaces and the walkways, keep them safe. Westermann obviously can't get in all the little nooks and crannies, but it definitely gets the bulk of it off. I've never actually tried any of the other brands of moss brush. It would be nice to get one out to have a demo of one, but because of owning half of this one, I'm not really going to be purchasing another one. I can't really comment on if this one's better than other ones, because like I say, I haven't used any other ones. So possibly next winter I'll see if I can arrange a demo for another brand and get one out here and see what it's like. Probably going to try some other bits of chemical on the other side, just to show the client really, like, if do they want to spend, I mean, what I'm spraying here is what was left over from another job, so it's they aren't paying for this, but I just want to show that it will stay cleaner for longer with this, and then they've got a nice clean car park rather than it being a layer of green. I ended up a bit wonky there, haven't I? Don't know what's gone on there. Talking to you guys probably, it's distracted me. Just going to run along this curb line. I mean, the resident come out and told me not to bother with like these sections, but they say not to bother, and then when you have a health and safety inspection, it then gets flagged up and it needs to be done. So I'll put a bit, actually, let's go along here. We'll spray this section, and this has obviously had no Westermann on it, and we'll see how this section goes with just the solution and no brush. But once this is dead, you're gonna sort of all just going to be left there, so I would have thought you're going to need to brush it anyway. Oh, I think we've got enough to get this space done. We'll do a car park space of the block paving as well. Wanted to make the most of this nice dry day, because you can't be getting this down in the wet, so not sure. Yesterday absolutely chucked it down all day and we got a nice dry one today, so you definitely have this time of year got to make the most of the dry weather. Oh, look at that, we've run out. Brilliant. So that is that done, guys. We have brushed all the moss off. We've blown it, we've swept it, we've taken it away. We've treated a couple of spaces just so we can compare if it's worth doing or not. Like I say, link to the product will be in the description and a discount code. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'll see you in the next one.